Day 2. What's up?
Hey.
Las Paillas natural rock water slide, and taking my Norwegian friends here. This is their first time.
Is this free to come to? Where's Bigfoot?
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the natural rock. There's 2 natural rock water slides, and there's a natural pool where we can just eat and chill, you know? What you think, huh?
Yeah.
Looks nice?
Yeah, it's pretty.
So there's one. You wanna go down that one?
Yeah, we can go and see.
Let's go check it out.
Have you tried it?
No, I haven't, but everyone goes there.
Oh my
To go. What's up? Wait, hold up. Hold it there. What's up? 1, 2. What's up, guys? I'm over here hanging out with Superman from Norway. What's up? Hey. So, if you guys want to hang out with beautiful women, you just gotta be an Uber driver in Puerto Rico, and all the beautiful women will come. These are my new besties. Yo, what's up, guys? Coming up right next on this next episode, we got the famous Norwegian rappers, singers. They're gonna perform a song for you guys. So check this out. Here we go. Stay tuned. Y'all ain't ready for this. We can't hear you. A little louder.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Calle Triunfo, Puerto Rico 191. Take the next left onto Calle Triunfo, Puerto Rico 191.
want to hear a song when I was a teenager,
Yeah.
14 years old, from New Orleans bounce music,
Yeah.
this will be a treat. All right, let me show you something. This is a song called Get It Ready. Woo! Y'all think y'all partied in Norway?
Mm-hmm.
This is how we partied back in New Orleans, old school. Check this out.
Check this out.
Oh snap! Hold up.
What happened?
In 200 meters, slight right onto
Getting
Puerto
ready,
Rico
getting ready,
191.
getting ready, ready. Check this out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get it ready, get it ready, get it ready, ready. Get it ready, get it ready, get it ready, ready. I say, girl, don't you do that. I say, girl, don't you do
Slight
that.
right onto Puerto Rico 191.
I say, boy, don't you do that. I say, y'all, don't you do that. I say, boy, don't you do that. Get it ready, get it ready, get it ready, ready. Get it ready, get it ready. Check this out.
Continue on Puerto Rico
Talk that stuff
191
now,
for 3
roll with
kilometers.
it.
Talk that stuff now.
Roll with it.
Talk that stuff now.
Roll with it.
Talk that stuff now.
Walking like a
dog. Walking like a dog. Walking like a dog.
what the?
Walking like a dog. Walking like a dog. Walking like a. Now take it down for a walk. Walking like a saver, like a bouncer, like a chicken, like a walking like a saver, like a bouncer, like a yeah. Walking like a saver, like a bouncer, like a chicken, like a walking like a saver. Monkey on the stick.
Monkey on the stick. Monkey on the stick.
Yeah.
Monkey on the stick. Monkey on the stick.
Yeah. Monkey on the stick. A monkey on the stick. Yeah. Monkey on the stick. And now serve it, serve it, serve it, serve it, serve it, serve it.
What do y'all think about that, huh?
That's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah.
We knew how to party back in the day, huh?
Yeah.
But y'all Norwegians don't know nothing about that New Orleans bounce.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Yeah, that's true.
You see what kind of music we show you? It's not the same.
Totally different, huh?
Yeah.
Back in the day, have you heard of Two Live Crew?
I don't know. Just show us.
Now
Yeah,
this,
here's the other zip line.
huh?
Here's the other zip line.
Yeah, that's the other one. This is where I thought y'all wanted to go. So this one right here,
The better one.
this one was big back when I was like 10 years old. So this is like 35 years ago. This is like, this was the jam. It's called Me So Horny. Oh, I'm taking y'all way back. We used to party this when I was 11 years old. 1989.
Sitting at home watching Arsenio Halls. I got my black book for a freak to call. Picked up the telephone.
He's so horny.
7 digits said, yo, this Marquis baby, are you down with it? I arrived at a house, knocked on the door, not having no idea of what the night had in store. I'm like a dog in heat,
A freak without warning.
not having appetite for love. Cause me
So horny. What you think about that one, huh?
That's cool.
He's
I
so.
get the vibes.
You got the vibes?
I get the vibes from it.
Yeah.
Your dance.
Man, that's way back in the day. That was before. That was when y'all were negative 30, 10 years old, negative 20 years old, or something like that. Before y'all were born. It's crazy.
It's cool music.
Oh, thank you.
Just grab some.
Oh, no, grab some. Thank you so much. We are here at the waterfall, taking a little break. Amazing. And look, they even treated me with some snacks. Look at this. Here we are in El Yunque Rainforest with my friends. What's up? Okay, action.
So if you're in Puerto Rico and you need an Uber driver, personal photographer, tour guide, DJ, rapper,
A friend.
best friend for life,
Then you have to hit them up.
this guy.
Yeah, this guy.
Show this guy.
Yeah. So, how much do I owe you guys for that? Thank you.
Thank you.
So I guess, can you share? Okay, tell me one story, epic story, to add. And just give me one story that it's a funny story, crazy story, a memorable story, something that you would say only in
planning.
Puerto Rico.
Sea planning.
Of like us? Or
Of y'all too. It could be a crazy story about some crazy guy you met. It could be.
No, I just want to say like everything happens for a reason, and if we never wrote the wrong address in Uber and you picked us up, we would never have met you and did do all of these things together.
That's
And
so
we've been
true.
like hanging out for more than one time.
Yeah.
That's so true. How
It's been so
spontaneous
nice.
it is.
We made a friend for life.
Hey, y'all promise y'all gonna show me around Norway when I visit y'all?
Of course we are.
You're our tour guide here, and we're your tour guides in Norway.
Yeah.
I'm about to cry.
Yeah.
Can you see me crying?
We are
My eyes are
leaving.
dry.
This is our last time.
Okay, this is y'all's last time, so
Okay.
goodbye and come back, okay?
Yeah, we're coming back.
All right. And find me a Norwegian girlfriend. Can you find me one?
Yeah, of course.
All
You
right.
want her by mail or?
Mail? Yeah, like a
Should I
mail
send her
order,
in
bro?
Mail or if you want?
Yeah, sure.
Instagram.
Overseas?
Sure.
Yeah.
Send me some
Or you
photos.
can come pick her up.
I'll pick her up. It's fine.
Yeah.
You know?
Sounds good.
Tell her to cook some nice Norwegian food for me.
Yeah.
I like the homey Norwegian wifey type of vibe.
We will do it.
Peace.
Bye.